Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll show you how to refund or withdraw your PayPal after 180 days. So if this kind of problem shows on your PayPal, um, go to Google and search for PayPal Message Center and click this website, and then click New Message. And then you'll see here that you will be able to contact the PayPal team. So for example, I'm sending this message to them so that they can fix this problem. And so I will be able to finally withdraw and refund what I was trying to withdraw from PayPal. And just send the message, and that's it. That's how you ask for a refund or withdraw on PayPal after 180 days. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.